He's looking to play it into the channel. The flag stays down. Can he now find a finish? Goal! Manchester United! Given the time and space he had, he was never likely to miss.
Look, he can only and should have released it because the support was arriving quickly.
Looking to exploit the space. Walcott! And tucked in! Arsenal now have the all-important equaliser. A gem of a cross and a straight forward. So here comes the corner. Up to Nodit. There it is! A really well-worked set piece, that.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the aerial department, this fella is definitely no slouch.
They've got a precious one-goal lead, Wilshere. Safe to say that wasn't the best of crosses. He's looking to play it into the channel. Incisive pass, that. He's onside. He's on his way. Oh, that's a goal to remember forever. Manager's call than that.
Well, the instruction accomplished.
They're back level again.
Well, without doubt, that's given the coach food for thought. Does he settle for extra?
It's in! And it was bound to be him. It had to be him.
And talking about rising to the occasion, their supporters have gone absolutely delirious here, and the way this game was
A good interception, just what they needed. There it is, the final whistle. Bitter loss to have to swallow, you'd have thought.